Hello, I'm talking to Daniel Rosner, who's the co-founder of OxidOS. Daniel, hello.
Hi, good to see you today and I'm glad to be here and discuss about the future of automotive.
Right, yes. You're a startup. You pitched at the startup competition here. Just tell me a little bit about the company. What is OxidOS?
Of course, thank you. OxidOS Automotive, it's helping automotive manufacturers and integrators to solve one of their major pain points, and that is delivering embedded software on time and on budget. We currently see a lot of new solutions on AI and on infotainment. Not so many new solutions for doing all the little things in the cars, all the things that you need in order to a car to function, to have safety and comfort. And we're talking about a lot of embedded software that is now based on C, C++, and on monolithic operating systems. We are planning to replace that with solutions built on top of the Rust programming language and offer automotive manufacturers a way to build software that is both portable and containerizable in order to port software, to use software much easier.
And is Rust important in this? I mean, why is that? Because of the portability, or is there something more fundamental that I'm missing?
Rust offers, first of all, memory safety and is the first viable option to replace C in embedded applications. Because Rust can run bare metal, Rust can run at the same execution speed and with the same memory footprint as C, but offers all the benefits of a modern programming language in terms of memory safety, thread safety, so you get compile time guarantees in terms of how it will behave.
So that's deterministic behavior as well, I guess.
Yes. And it offers a lot of guarantees that with C, with C++, you need additional tooling, you have a lot of overheads, workarounds that you need to use to ensure code safety. Rust offers a lot of them on compile time.
And that means also optimization of code, I guess.
There's optimization, yes, in a way you could say that, because you don't need to add a lot of layers to get to the same level of safety.
So what exactly are you doing? You're providing this OS to your automotive customers. Tell me how you engage with the customer.
Yes, of course. So we started with an operating system for the small chips. We can run roughly from 100 kilobytes of RAM, so microcontrollers. We started with an operating system that is based on an open source platform, which we are professionalizing it for the automotive industry. And now we are adding a virtualization layer to enable them to run the same code on larger chips, on processors. Okay. And we are working commercially with, mostly for the moment, with chip manufacturers, and of course discussing with multiple automotive manufacturers who want to accelerate their development processes.
And at what stage are you? I mean, do you need the safety certifications, or have you already got those, or are you working with that with the automotive manufacturers?
So in terms of certification, there are a little bit of things that need to be done in the Rust ecosystem, but we are among the top teams in terms of how advanced we are to get that certification. So if it will be in place, we'll be among the first. We are also in part of multiple working groups, for example, from AutoSAR for the safe work group. So we are familiar with our next generation standard and we'll be ready for it. My estimation is probably we'll see Rust in 2 or 3 years from now in running in cars. Actually, there are some projects, but not for safety critical. There are a few automotive manufacturers who are using it now in cars, but we think this will become mainstream in a few years.
So what's next from OxidOS?
We raised in 2022 our pre-seed round, used it to accelerate our certification process and our development process. We are preparing to raise the seed round at the end of this year.
Okay. Well, Daniel, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the interview.